Sendiio 2.0 is the first and only autoresponder that allows you to profit from the power of email, text, and Facebook Messenger under one central dashboard with zero monthly fees. Sendiio 2.0 Review. How does it work? In this section of Sendiio 2.0 Review, I am going to show you a brief overview of the system and how easy it is to get started. The whole system works in 3 simple steps. Please check them below. Step 1. Import your lists and create your campaign. Step 2. Send or schedule your campaigns. Step 3. Generate massive profits from the 3 most profitable marketing platforms. Feature 1. Create and send unlimited text message campaigns without ever paying a monthly fee. Import unlimited phone numbers within seconds. Create unlimited opt-in forms to build your phone numbers list even further. Create unlimited phone lists. Create unlimited follow-up sequence campaigns. Fully flexible scheduling system for your text campaigns. Fully flexible scheduling system for your SMS follow-up sequences. Full click stats on your text campaigns. Create unlimited one-time broadcasts campaigns. Send unlimited texts without any monthly fees by simply connecting to your Twilio account. Complete step-by-step training tutorials to set up your text message campaigns in lightning speed. Feature 2. Create and send unlimited Facebook Messenger campaigns without ever paying a monthly fee. Easily connect unlimited fan pages in a matter of seconds. Easily create unlimited follow-up Facebook Messenger sequences. Capture unlimited Facebook Messenger subscribers. Fully flexible scheduling system for your FB Messenger follow-up sequences. Set up an automatic welcome message for every new Messenger subscriber. Set up unlimited keyword-based chatbot replies. Set up unlimited keyword-based comment replies. Easily create unlimited one-time Messenger broadcast messages. Fully flexible scheduling system for your FB Messenger campaigns. Complete step-by-step training tutorials to set up all your FB Messenger campaigns. Feature 3. Create and send unlimited email campaigns without ever paying a monthly fee. Import unlimited email contacts without having to go through a verification process. Create unlimited opt-in forms to build your list even further. Create unlimited follow-up sequence campaigns. Create unlimited email lists. Create unlimited one-time broadcasts campaigns. Fully flexible scheduling system for your follow-up sequences. Connect to any premium SMTP providers in minutes. View in-depth stats for all your email campaigns. Easily skyrocket your profit by resending your email campaigns based on your subscribers' activity. Connect unlimited domain names. Send unlimited emails without any monthly fees by simply connecting to your SMTP. Fully flexible scheduling system for your broadcasts. Complete step-by-step training tutorials to set up your Sendiio account in lightning speed. Sendiio 2.0 Review. Who should use it? This product seems suitable for any type of marketer in our industry. No matter who you are, surely you need such a tool like this to keep engaging with your audiences. With detailed training, it hides no difficulty even with beginners. Check who can be benefited by using this unique software: affiliate marketer, e-commerce store owner, digital product vendors, local marketers, email marketers, agency marketers, CPA marketers, email marketers.